Yeah.
Weezy out of here.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like Boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me.
What is up, beauties? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today's content is going to be a girl talk. Now, I am excited to do this little girl talk because Valentine's Day is coming up. Like, it is nowhere from here. So, I have something a little in store for you ladies, simply because, like, it's your day. So, not only is it for you, but I feel like it's for your man as well. So, my advice for today is how to give your man the time of his life for Valentine's Day. Well, no, scratch that. How to give your man the time of his life, period. But this one is simply going to be a little Valentine's Day edition. But you can use it for any occasion. Like, it don't have to be in particular just for Valentine's Day. Use it for what you want to use it for. Okay? So, first thing first, what you want to do is, for a fact, make sure you are looking bomb. That is number one. You have to look off the chain. When I say, when you get ready to go ahead and do your thing, girl, make sure you looking good, okay? Go ahead, go to get your favorite lingerie. I don't care where you get it from, girl. As long as you looking bomb in it, that's all that matters. Shoot. I'm gonna just throw something out there. You can go to Fashion Nova, they sell lingerie. Victoria's Secret. It's a lot of places. Look, you know, you get the point. But yes, just make sure that you're looking good. Make sure that you're feeling yourself. And as long as you're feeling yourself in that outfit, I guarantee you he gonna be feeling you as well. So make sure you are feeling good and looking good in your little lingerie or whatever you decide to wear that night. Yeah, just looking like a whole snack, a little meal. Number two, you want to make sure, like, your hair looking like, make yourself look exotic as possible. Like, just something out of the regular for him. Like, you like, dang, he was like, dang, babe, I didn't see that coming. Like, I know you be looking good, but girl, like, what you doing? Like, what you doing tonight? Like, you really want him to have, like, a wow expression when he see you first walk out, okay? Look, shoot, to add a little fun to it, this is what you're gonna do next. Go ahead, no, look, before I get into that, let me stick to this first. Yeah, make sure you smelling good as well. Freshen up, like shower for a good long time, or take you a nice long bath. Put on your good lotions, your good body sprays, your perfumes, or what have you. Just making sure you smelling good and looking good, girl. Because I'm telling you, he's not going to resist you from that alone. Next, what you need to do is, okay, so as far as the looking good and smelling good, I'm just going to make that all into one, okay? I'm going to take that back. That wasn't two. I'm going to make that all into one because that's as a whole. Like, you got to look and smell good, okay? So number two, you have to, like, girl, shave. Like, hey, I don't know if your man prefer you shave, if he like it full throttle, like he like it bushy, if he like it like little shapes in different forms or whatever he like, girl, make sure you cut it or shape it exactly how he want it that night, okay? If he like it bald, do what you need to do. Just making sure that it's to his liking, okay? That would be number two. Number three, what you could do is, now I don't know if you're into like doing a little dance routine or stuff like that. I don't know if you dance or whatever, or if you could just put together some little small little performance or something that just draws his attention in the beginning. Even if you do a little role play, like something that grabs his attention as soon as you walk in the room. You can have your music playing. You could do, if you a pole dancer, girl, work that pole. If y'all got a pole in y'all house, in your room, whatever. Work that pole, girl. If you got a dance routine you want to do, just, you know, something you put together, girl, get your chair, do whatever you need to do. Use him. Do whatever it takes, girl. Just to make it entertaining. Give it, add some spice and some style to it. You want to make it fun. You want to make it last. Like, you want it to be something to remember. So I say put a little routine together, something like that, okay? If you don't want to do that, look, you could buy toys or whatever. Like, you could be one of them kinky people. I don't know. I don't do toys, but I'm saying, like, some people are really into that stuff. Like, if you gotta go to the toy store, girl, go get some toys. Go get some stuff that y'all gonna have fun with. Like, get some stuff that you know, like, he'll really enjoy. Like, if you do the candies, they got the big jumbo gumpy candies. Or if y'all want to get handcuffs or different like card games, like whatever, to do tricks and different stuff like that. Do whatever it takes to make it enjoyable, something like different and fun and out of the box. But he gonna be like, damn, all this for me? All this for me and this Valentine's Day? Because, you know, men usually expect for the women to like just hoard it all in when it comes to Valentine's Day. Like, oh, gather me with gifts and love and take me out and spend this on me and this and that. Girl, give back to him that night. Let him know, look, I appreciate you, okay? You want your man to feel appreciated, that's for sure. But back on topic. Yeah, so get your little toys, do whatever to make it entertaining. Okay. Number 4, you want to make sure that you're doing every single thing that night that he likes to do when y'all do it. You know what I mean. Whatever it takes to make him happy that night. Do what you need to do. Do what you need to do. You know exactly what I mean. I'm not going to say too much because y'all grown. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're not grown, get off my channel. No. But seriously, like, you already know what he likes. So do whatever he like that night, okay? Make it for him. Number 5. This should have been like number 2 or 3 or whatever. But number 5, you could have him some dinner ready. Cook him a meal. If you're not a cooker, girl, order some food. Like, have it all laid out, because at the end of the day, women, you know, we cook, we do all this and that, but prepare him the best meal, one of his favorite meals or whatever for Valentine's Day. Like, make it really memorable. Like, if you order takeout or whatever, however y'all get the mood going, girl, if he like to eat before it, get him a meal. If he like to eat afterwards, girl, after that, you can't be like, look, I'm tired, I'm finna go to sleep. No, get up, go cook that meal. Like, make it a memorable night. You know, because not only, like I said, not only is Valentine's Day for you, I also feel like that night is for your man. Like, for you to be like, look, I appreciate you, boo-boo. Thank you for today. Okay? Like, you gotta keep him, you gotta remind him, girl. You gotta keep it in his head, like, I'm the one. But no, that's really all that I have for this. Maybe I'll do a part 2. Before Valentine's Day, I'll probably do a part 2 to this. I'm not sure. I might not. But that's all that I have for right now. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Please share this video. Put down in the comments below some more questions you may have, or some more ideas you may have for someone else that you could possibly do for Valentine's Day. Like, we got to help each other out. Okay? So, yes. Oh, by the way, a reminder, I am doing a giveaway. I am doing a giveaway for me reaching 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Okay? If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. I'm not going to tell you in this video what I'm giving away. Go watch that video, and I'm describing exactly what it is I'm giving and when I'm going to be giving it out. But yeah, I'm doing doing a giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers, okay? So go check that video out. I'm actually going to add it in the video so you can just click on it after this video is complete, okay? But I love you, beauties. Catch you in my next video. Bye.
Shorty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip. And she fuck